Summer is undoubtedly the best time of the year. Not only does the weather become hot and sunny, but it also marks the beginning of the long-awaited summer holiday. During these months, everyone seems to be in a much better mood simply because the days are longer and full of sunshine. Yesterday morning, I woke up early to a perfectly clear blue sky, so I immediately started planning a day out. I picked out my favorite summer clothes, choosing a lightweight yellow t-shirt, casual denim shorts, and a pair of comfortable leather sandals. Because the sun was already quite intense, I made sure to grab my polarized sunglasses and a wide-brimmed hat to protect myself from the midday heat. My family and I packed a large beach bag with all the essentials for a proper day at the beach. We filled it with thick towels, plenty of bottled water in order to stay hydrated, and a bottle of waterproof sunscreen. Before heading down to the shore, we carefully applied the sunscreen to our skin. Fortunately, nobody wanted to end up with a painful sunburn. The beach was absolutely beautiful, though it was slightly crowded. While our parents relaxed on their beach chairs and sunbathed, my brother and I dove into the refreshing sea to swim and play with a beach ball. Eventually, we decided to take a break from swimming to build an impressive sandcastle near the water's edge. Later on, we took shelter under a large umbrella to escape the intense afternoon sun and enjoyed a delicious chocolate ice cream cone. In the evening, we returned home to host a casual barbecue in the backyard for a few close friends. It was a fantastic opportunity to relax and socialize. My family grilled a variety of meats, including burgers and marinated chicken. We also prepared a fresh salad with mouth-watering tomatoes, crispy lettuce and olives. To keep everyone refreshed, we served homemade lemonade with ice cubes and finished the perfect day with giant, juicy slices of sweet watermelon. It was really the perfect day.